What's the meaning of bachelor party? Bachelor party. Bachelor party.
Bachelor party. Bachelor party. A bachelor party is a celebration held for a man who is about to get married. It is typically organized by the groom's friends and is intended to give the groom one last night of freedom before he gets married. Bachelor parties often involve activities such as drinking, dancing, and partying in general. The origins of the modern bachelor party are not entirely clear, but it is believed to have originated in the United States in the 1800s. Today, bachelor parties have become a popular tradition all over the world, and they can range from low-key events to wild, over-the-top parties that last all night long.